We're going straight to the source, looking at what's about to happen. We're talking about the market structure algo V2. Yeah, it sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but trust me, this is where the magic happens. Think of this tool as your personal market radar. It scans for those critical turning points, the pivot highs and lows, and lays out the market's hidden structure right in front of you. It even split out a score, basically telling you if you're gearing up for a rocket launch or a crash landing. It's like having a crystal ball, but for trading. Here's how you get it on your chart. Fire up TradingView, hit the indicator's bottom, and bam, a search window will pop up. Type in market structure algo V2. Hit enter and click on it and the results to add it to the chart. It's now on your chart. We're going to break down exactly how to read this thing step by step so you can start seeing the market like the pros do. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Now we're gonna deal this thing in, make it super clean and laser focused, like customizing your ride. First things first, we're gonna strip it down to the essentials. Hit that settings gear on the indicator and let's head to the style tab. We're gonna ditch all the extra noise. See those long and short signals? Turn them off. And that line option gone. We want a clean chart, not distraction. Now let's get into the input section. This is where we fine tune the engine. Change the internal MS to 7. This is gonna make it react a little quicker to those short-term shifts. Leave the line style as it is, but bump that line width up to 2. We want those lines to pop. Then the extra MS, that's getting changed to 50. That's gonna give us a broader view of the market's overall direction. And hey, let's make it look good, right? You can change the colors to whatever you like. I'm going with green for positive color and for those bullish moves, and red for negative for when things get a little bearish. Make it your own, customize it, and make it fit your style. Alright, so we've got the market structure algo V2 dialed in, right? We're reading the market's bonus now, but we're not stopping there. We're gonna some serious firepower to the system. We're talking about the squeeze momentum indicator. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna see when the market's about to explode. Think of it like this. The market structure algo tells us where the market's going and the squeeze momentum indicator tells us when. It's like having double dose of market vision. Now, getting it on your chart is a piece of cake. Head back to the indicator bottom on TradingView, just like before. This time, in the search bar, type in a squeeze momentum indicator. And make sure to grab the one by Lazy Bear. That's the one we're gonna use. Click it and boom, it's on your chart. We're about to show you how this thing works and how it tells you when the massive move is happening. Stick with me because this is where things get really interesting. But before that, we're gonna tune this baby to maximize performance. So first, let's head to the input section. We're gonna tweak a couple of settings to make it more sensitive to those explosive moves. Change the KC length to 45. This adjusts the Keltner channel, making them react a little quicker. Then bump the KC multiplier up to 3.5. This widens the channels. helping us spot those big powerful squeezes. Now let's clean up the display. Head over to the Style tab. We're gonna disable the second plot option. We don't need the extra clutter. We want a clear focus view. And now for the color coding, this is where we make visual intuitive. For the first plot option, we're gonna change the colors to tell us exactly what's going on. Change color 0 to green, that signifies a strong bullish squeeze. Change color 1 to white, this is a neutral squeeze, a pause before a potential move. Change color 2 to red, this is a strong bearish squeeze. And finally change color 3 to white as well, another neutral zone. That's it, we've optimized the squeeze momentum indicator to work perfectly with our system. Alright, so let's break down how the system actually works and how we turn those indicators into cold hard cash. Look at your chart now. You'll see those bands drawn by the MS Algo V2, right? We're calling those the upper and lower bands. They're the key to unlocking this whole thing. Here's the deal. When a candle closes above the upper band, that's a bullish breakout. That's our signal that things are about to get hot. But hold up, we're not jumping in blind. We need confirmation, like a secret handshake. That's where the squeeze momentum indicator comes in. If that bullish breakout happens at the same time as a green histogram bar on the squeeze momentum indicator, bam, that's our confirmation. Green means bullish momentum is kicking in and we're ready to ride the wave. Now, you can jump into a buy position, set your stop loss just a little below the most recent swing low, to protect your capital. And for your target, aim for 1.5 or 2 times your risk. Keep it simple, keep it profitable. Now let's look at another side. If a candle closes below the lower band, that's a bearish breakout. That's a potential sell signal. But like before, we need confirmation. Check the squeeze momentum indicator. If it's showing a white histogram bar, that's a no-go. White means no clear momentum, so we're staying out of that trade. But look at this example, another bearish breakout, and this time the histogram is red, and that's a confirmed sell signal. Red means bearish momentum is in full swing and we're ready to short. See how this works? We're using market structure algo to spot the breakouts and a squeeze momentum indicator to confirm the momentum. It's like a 1-2 punch, a system that's designed to catch those big moves.